You can record it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the first figure of sheet number 17. The first figure of sheet number 17. 1 minute. Can anybody tell me length, width, and height of figure number 1, sheet number 17?
Length is 100, width is
Length is 100. See properly.
is it 110?
Huh? See here. Length will be 35 plus 35. That is 70 plus 50. This is your first figure. Right?
Yes, miss.
35 plus 35. 35 radius plus 35. And then if you correspond to this, this is 50. So 70 plus 50, 120. So length is 120. Height is 70. And width is also 30 plus 20 plus 20, 70. So first you will make a box. Every day you all have school till what time?
Miss, different days.
It depends on the timetable.
Okay.
Some
Okay, I'll
days
ask you.
12.
Okay,
And
which
on
day it is 12?
Monday,
Mon-
Tuesday, and
Monday, Tuesday,
Monday, Tuesday, and Friday.
Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and Monday,
yeah,
On Monday,
And on-
Tuesday, we have assessment also.
12:40 to 1:20.
So
So,
tomorrow is Friday. Will you all be able to join me by 12:10, 12:15?
I'm 12:40 works.
12:40 also works, yes.
Yeah, miss.
12:40
12:40 is fine.
12:40 to 1:40. Will you all able to join me 12:40 to 1:40
Yes.
tomorrow?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So what means this will be in consent with you and me. So if I take like this on Fridays, then I don't have to tell the school. If you all cooperate, I will do some revisions. Yes.
I have a class
What time?
after school only directly.
Who
Or
is
means we
this?
can just do like our recording which we are doing right now.
Yeah,
and
can you
make
just
the
send the
send it on the-
recording so we all can view it at our own time?
See, if you all cooperate, then we will be able to do fast. Otherwise, like today, I'm revising. Today is not a revision day, actually. But today I'm revising because I have started now. Last year, I used to take these revisions on explanation of the sheets. Like I used to take 40 minutes class and I used to do that. Question papers and all I used to do on the revision days. Today is a proper teaching day, but I am starting now, so I'll do it today. Okay. Now, can you see from here, take 70, make a line.
If the box is 30 degree, right?
Huh. All isobox are 30 degree. Origin, 30 degree. Sorry, this is 120. From here, measure 70, and this is the line. Okay. Same line will go up. See, this type we have done. And here, the center part, the circular block.
20, 20.
Yeah, circular block is only 20 wide. So just measure 20 and make it here. Is this part clear? And now here
miss.
should be a, sorry.
Okay, miss, nothing, sorry.
Okay. Now this 15 wala part is straight. So I'm making this is 15. Then there is a slope over here. Now slope you all can see it's a 45 degree. So what you will do? You will make 35 line over here. And from here, make a 45 degree line. Bring this down. This is 90 degree. So this is 45 degree. So everybody knows that when it is a 45-degree turn, so this is 35, so this also will be 35,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So just measure 35 here and go like this and bring it down. Okay,
Miss, how do we know if it is 45?
it is written. You don't have to know. It is written in the
Ma'am.
figure over here.
Ma'am,
Can you-
Or miss, we can also consider that it's 35 because
Yeah,
the circle ka midpoint is on 35, like it's on the straight line.
So it's not necessary that way, but 45-degree. Okay. Now take this line
ma'am,
here.
drawing that side triangle is compulsory.
This one,
Yeah. Do we need to draw
yeah,
that?
examiner prefer whenever the angle is given, you should draw it.
Okay.
Okay. And now join this. Take this line here and join this. Is this part clear?
Yes.
Okay. And this is dark. Now you all can see there is a dotted line over here at the distance of 15. So at the distance of 15, make a line. This line will turn on the slope. This is 15. Make a line up till the slope and turn it. Now this is 60-degree. Cut over here. So what you will do? See, I'm making here only. Make a line. This is 70. Make a rectangle. This is 15. On this mark 20, 20. Make a 30-degree line, a 30-degree line. So this is there. So this distance, what you got is X. So from here, we will mark X. From here also, I will mark X. And here I will mark 30. This is 20. This is 20. And now I'll join. We have done this part in other figure. Got it?
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, here can't we directly mark 20, 20 and then mark 30 degrees?
No, you cannot. Whenever the angle is given, you have to make it outside. This is 60 degrees. So this line is 30 degrees. So this and this distance is X, which I have marked over here. Now I will take this down. I will take this down. Make it dark. I will take this down. Now how much down it will go? You have to make a line inside from here, wherever it meets this line. This line is not a 30-degree line. It is a slope. Got it?
Miss, but the line from the 15 centimeter is a 30-degree line, right? From
This,
the length. No, the right side wala.
this is 30-degree line. Then you have to take this 30-degree line.
Yeah.
Wherever the vertical line meets, you have to join. You can see the solution also. Okay. Is this part clear? Now from here, come down 70. From here, come down 70. This is your rhombus. Join the longest diagonal. Yes, Kunj, now you see. And take a midpoint that is 35. With this center, you will get this part. And with this center, you will get this part. And now you can make this part straight, this part straight. Tangent behind, this center behind by 20, you will get this part. And join. Now, will you be able to make a circle inside, or should I teach you that also?
Miss, the line which you extended, which is of 20 centimeters, is parallel to the tangent, right?
Yeah, this line, no?
Yeah, that's
This is 30-degree line.
okay. So the 20 wala line is also 30-degree line. Which
Yes, yes. This is also 30-degree line.
Okay.
Anybody, any
Ma'am,
doubt
can
in
you show
this
the
figure?
inside circle also?
Inside circle also?
Yeah.
Okay. Inside circle, can you measure 35 here? Make a line. From here, measure 35, make a line. Got the center point?
Ma'am, that point
See,
will pass through the
from here,
diagonal, no?
35. Yeah, this point should be on the diagonal only. Mine is a rough figure. And now the radius of the circle is 20. So 20 up, 20 down. Bring this here, bring this here. The diagonal will be common. Again, from here, this midpoint and this midpoint. You will get it. The circle may not be complete. It can be like this. And from here, you will make like this. Got it or no?
So we don't have to bring the circle outside the line, right?
No. See, this is, if this line, if any part means you don't have to make it here. How much ever is fitting, you have to make that much.
Okay.
And ma'am, we are supposed to take it behind as well, no?
Yeah, if it is possible, yes, you have to take it behind.
Yeah,
I'll
because
just
the
see.
distance is 15 and other radius is 20.
Distance is 20. Yeah, the distance is 20. And the
But
shooting
only the below wala long curve will have to take
Yeah.
behind.
yeah, yes. Only the below wala long curve. So this point, which is here, you have to shift this behind by 20. And this radius, from here, this radius, you might get this. Got it?
Miss, can you please explain the arc again?
Which arc? This one?
Yeah, the one you just did.
You know this arc you made with this center, right?
Yeah.
So you have to shift this center behind by 20. By
Okay.
20 because this is 20.
Okay, miss.
And the same radius you will make again.
Miss, could you repeat
Okay.
the measurements of the box?
Huh?
The measurements of the box.
I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, could you repeat the measurements of the box?
This 35 wala,
No, the isometric, the first box I made.
the first box.
Yeah.
This is 120, this is 70 this way, and height is 70. And here I gave the shape, and here I made the rhombus of 70 by 70. Got it?
Yeah, ma'am, thank you.
Yeah. Now I have sent you the figure. The second figure is this figure. Now in this, the length is 20 plus 80 plus another 20. Again, the length is 120.
120.
Height is 85 and width is 65. Is this part clear?
Yes. miss.
Okay, I'll make the box. $120. $65. $85. Box is ready. Now see here. First, I will give this shape. Here, this is 20. It is going up by 15. Then this is here. From here, I'll take 25 and 15 and come. And here it is 40. So I'll give this shape first and then I'll make this shape. So please see, this is 40. Then it is coming 20. Then it is going up 15. And then again it is coming here. So how much it will come here? 20 more. Then take this line up. Here. Is this shape clear? Now take it behind. Take it like this. This is the top view. Now top view, you can see it's an L shape. 15 here, and it is coming like this. So I'm making that. 15, come here and join. So behind part, either you take it down and take it back, or you can directly join this. Both solutions are possible. Either you bring this down, take it back, or you can directly join this. Both are possible. So this part is done. Now this part. Here you can see the platform. The platform is only 40 wide and it is in the behind part. And here is the full line, means this is not in the same surface. It is behind. How much behind it will be? This is 65 and this is 40. So this will be behind by 25. This will be behind by 25. So how we will come to know that? Okay. Make this line, measure 25 and bring it here. Bring this line down. See here. This is very important. Bring this line down and bring it here. Go up. The height of the platform is 15. Go up. Take it here and take it here. This is once more. I'll explain. Wait, I'll erase this. I'll explain you once more. The easy way. Go inside 25. Go up 15. And go here. Bring this line down. Is this clear now? Is this much clear? Now this line, bring it here. Measure 40. And bring this here. You will get it. Got it? The upper part.
It's why 40?
Because it is given 40, no? This is 20 radius, so this total will be 40.
Okay, miss.
Okay. So this is here and this is here. Now this you can make it down. Got this part? This part should touch the ISO box. This will not touch. The common mistake the student do, what they do, when they bring line over here, then they go here. So the figure does not come. You have to bring this line to the box. If you go from here, it will be 20 less. So you have to bring this line. Now, this is already 40. Measure 40 and make a rhombus. Longest diagonal. Join this. With this center, you can make this. And with this center, you can make this. Tangent down. This down by 15 to get this curve. This down by 15 to get this curve. Now you can make this dark. Here, this line will also go in. Now I have to insert the slope. Now slope is in the center. Leave 15 from here. Leave 15 from here and make this line. How much is this line? This is 50. This is 50. It is given in the figure. And how much is this going up? This is 20.
20.
How will you come to know? Here it is given 15 and 35. So this is 20. And this is 50. From here to there is 50. Now bring this line up, but measure 10 down. This is dark, only 10 less, and join this. So you will get this shape. Got the shape?
Yes, miss.
15, 50, and this 20. Now here you can take here 10, 10, 10. Same shape and join. Now you can make this part dark and you can make behind part dark. This need not be dark. Done. Is this clear?
Ma'am, where you've written 20, it is 20 up, right?
Sorry?
Where you've written 20, it is 20 up, right?
Yeah, this is 20 up. And this is 10. This way it is 10.
Ma'am, on the right side, it can be a slope also, right?
Yeah, right. I said no. Two solutions are possible. Either you can make this and this, or you can just directly join this.
Okay.
Two solutions are possible.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, did you erase the first figure?
No.
Can you please show it for a sec?
Yeah, I'll show you. Here. Got it?
Yes. One sec.
Yeah.
Yes, miss. Thank you.
Yeah. Solutions also I have sent. So you will not have any difficulty. This is just explaining how to understand the figure.
Yeah, miss.
Yeah. Now the third figure. Third figure is what is the length with height? I have given you the scale 2:1. Can everybody see 2:1 over there?
Yes, miss.
So let me see if I have got a printout of that figure. So I can explain fast. I don't have a printout of that figure, but I will explain you.
Yes, maybe you can screen share.
No, that too I have on my laptop. That I have on my laptop. Tell me the length, width, and height of that figure. Double it and then tell me.
And the height is 52.
Height is?
52.
Yeah. So just see, I'll make it here only. Okay. Now here is the straight part. There is a rhombus over here. How much is left? What is the radius of the rhombus? Sorry, the circle.
11, 22.
So we will take 22 means 44. This gap is 44. You will make a rhombus 22 down, 22 up. This line is here. This line is here. Okay. Longest diagonal. Join this with this center. You will be able to draw this. And with this center, you will be able to draw this. Shift this center behind by, what is the width over here? What will be this width?
52.
52. So shift this center behind by 52 and this radius, make it over here. Is this part clear? Here, this part is straight. Come down. Complete this part. Now take it here lightly. What is the thickness of this center part over here? Tell me the original measurement.
22, miss, maybe.
This is 22?
44.
44. So bring it here, come down. Bring it here and come down. So first I will complete this. Take this inside, go like this. This part is completed. Now there is certain part straight over here. From here the measurement is given. Some 34, something like that. 17 or 34. and some height is given over here. What is that?
9. Miss 9, right?
Yes, 9 ka double will be
Hmm.
18. And what is the straight part over here? Think. I'm going slow. Nobody is replying.
Miss, is it 17 or it's 63 minus 34 plus 17?
Yes. Wait, let me open the figure. I will see myself.
What, miss? Miss, is it 16?
Yeah. Wait. 1 minute. One minute. See, these ortho to isos and all, you all have to practice. I've given you the solutions. I'm explaining you the concept. So you all have to practice. My laptop is working very slow. Yeah, 1 second. So from here it is 17. From here it is 17, so measure 34. Okay, and height is 9, so measure 18 and join. Then go here, go this way lightly and join. Is this part clear?
Yes.
Now there is a center part, that is 10. 10 ka double is 20. So from here mark 20, mark 20. 10 ka double 20. So 10 this side, 10 this side. Can you complete this rectangles? And what is the depth of that slot? It is 12. So from here measure 24. Go up on the slope and turn. And now again measure 20 or just make the parallel lines. So this is dark. This is dark. This will come down. This will go in and this will come down. Is this clear? Everywhere you origin and 30 degree. And below the figure, you have to write scale 2:1. And if they ask you to insert the dimensions, insert the original dimensions, means you will write 26 only. You will write 26 only. You will not write the calculated dimensions. You have to write 26 only. Is that clear?
Yes.
This way it is
Yes, miss.
63, you will write 63. Below the figure, you will write scale 2:1. In the solution also, I have given you the same thing. In the solution also, I've given you the same thing. Okay. So this way means we have finished sheet number 17. You all can do sheet number 17. You all can start sheet number 17 now. Not now, means after the class is over, anytime. Finish this in 1 week's time. Oblique, everybody is done with oblique or not?
Yes, miss.
Okay, oblique is done.
Miss, could you explain the last figure of oblique views?
Last figure of oblique view. Okay. Let me open it. Yeah, I got it. Last figure of oblique view. First you make 90. Height is 100. And this way also it is 100. 45-degree lines. Is this much clear? Who has asked? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
I have to really take the attendance because we have to mark. Dev Sethia, will you reply now? Dev Sethia, will you reply now? No, he is not replying. I have to take the attendance.
Miss, what is HSV?
HSV, left hand side view, na? LHSV.
Yeah, miss, because it's not given L
Where?
in the third figure का question.
Oh, वो print में निकल गया होगा. LHSV. It is left hand side view.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Now what you will do, first we will give the shape of the left hand side view over here. Measure 12. Come down 40. Again come 12 and join the slope. Is this much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now go full this side, same way. Come down 40, measure 12 and join this. This is the shape we got. Okay, these lines are light. I have made it dark for you all to see. I will erase them. Now from here, measure 20. How much will you measure? 20. Bring it here on the slope. This line is dark. And this part is dark now. This is also dark. Bring this line here. Now you can see the center part is 66. So either you take midpoint and mark 66, or 90 minus 66 is 24. You can mark 12 over here. You can mark 12 over here. And this is dark. Is this much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here also, parallel lines. This is here. This is here. Go behind. Go behind. You can make this part dark. Make this part dark. Here also. Now this line is this part clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the slot. The slot, the depth of the slot is 50. So at 50, make a line, light line up till the slope and come over here. Again, take a midpoint, mark 10 this side, 10 this side. Here also midpoint, 10 this side, 10 this side, join. Make this dark, make this dark. Come down, and this is 45-degree line. Is this much clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
And here, this is 45-degree line behind. Okay. Now here, 20 up, because other 20 is the circle. And light line, take a midpoint, make 20 ka circle. Make another circle. Now we have to shift everything behind by 12 because this thickness is 12. So 12, when you take this 12 and bring it here, this part will get complete. 12, complete this. 12, complete this. Tangent, 12 behind. This center behind by 12 with radius 20. Make this part, and with radius 10, radius 10, make this part. Is this clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
From where do we have to take radius?
See, this is the only thing here. And when you are shifting 12 behind, from here only radius 10.
Okay, miss.
See, any circle, if I'm shifting this point behind, and suppose this is radius 20, so from here also I'll make 20. Got it?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Also, any more doubts in sheet number 11 and 17? Okay. Now, Kunj, your doubt in figure number 1, sheet number 16.
Miss, I didn't tell anything.
Who asked? You, somebody asked. No, wait, let me see who asked. Yeah, Kunj, only you only asked, yeah.
No, miss, I didn't tell.
Figure number 1, sheet number 16.
Yeah, Miss Kunj told us.
You only asked. This I said, this is 50. Wait. Here it is 15 and this is 30 down. And then here it is 10. So here at the height of 5 mm, you have to make a line. Take a midpoint, take 15, 15, 15 up, 15 down, 15 up, 15 down. So this will come like this. And from this center, you will make like this. So this part is dark. This gap is 5 mm. And now this is 30. So you have to go down 20 to complete the rhombus. This is the longest diagonal. Again, take a midpoint. When you join this, when you are making this circle, it will come only up till here. And this part is dark. And with this center, you have to make this. And it will come only up till here. And this part is a straight line. You did not ask me this doubt now in the beginning of the class.
No, ma'am, actually, I didn't tell.
Huh?
I didn't tell you.
I think you said. So I told you also, first listen, stop. Yes, Kunj, you were only there. I didn't tell, now you are saying.
Okay.
This center you have to shift behind by 15 to get this part. And this center you have to shift behind by 15 to get this part. And the lower part everybody knows. Okay.
So ma'am, do we have a class tomorrow or when do we have it?
I will like to take it tomorrow itself. And I will revise, I will do sections of solids of 2020 board paper.
Ma'am, recording in the WhatsApp group.
Huh? Sorry?
Ma'am, will you be sharing this recording in the WhatsApp group?
I'll be sharing it.
Yeah. Everybody, those whoever is recording, they will share it.
Okay.
Okay, so you don't worry. Yeah, so this is done. Sheet number 17 is done. Now you want to draw this figure, question number 3 of sheet number 16, copy ISO. Do you all want to draw with me or you want me to explain? Tell me fast.
Please explain.
Are you able to understand whatever I am explaining?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. During the revision time before the assessment, I had revised 2019 board paper ka scales. Do you all remember that?
Yes.
Okay. Because I want to revise 2019 board paper as well. I'm doing ISO. Wait. Now this scale I have done with you. So you all can start doing the paper. This is 12 mm by 4 centimeter. Do I need to write the calculations again? Okay, I'll ask someone. 2 students have already left. One is Abhishek Singhal.
Ma'am, could you share this paper on the group?
Okay. See, I have taken it from the ICSE site. I'm sorry, I did not take the attendance first, and now I will end up in problem. 2 students have left the group. One is Abhishek Singhal. From recording, will you tell me anyone? Afterwards, not now.
Ma'am, the recording that doesn't get recorded. Only the video.
Okay. 1 second, I'll just share the paper first. Yes, I have shared the paper, 2019 board paper. Drawing length is 12 mm, actual length is 4 centimeters. So RF, yeah, 1 or 2 students, they have written RF as BL upon AL in the assessment also, which is not acceptable. You have to write full drawing length upon actual length, which is 12 mm upon 4 centimeter, which is equal to 12 upon 40, which is equal to 4 3s are 3 upon 10. So this is your RF. Maximum length given is as 3.61 decimeters, which will be taken as 4 decimeters, and scale length will be RF into maximum length, which is 3 upon 10 into 4 decimeters. But our calculation is always in centimeters. So 3 upon 10 into 4 into 10 centimeters. So it comes as 12 centimeters. Now everybody knows how to make a diagonal scale.
Yes.
Yeah. So everybody will do this question number 1 means you have work now. You can start 2019 board paper as well. So this is that. Now the second question. Construct an ellipse by oblong method. Anybody, any doubt in this? Construct an ellipse by oblong method.
Ma'am, we know this.
You know this. Question number 3A. Draw the square of side 100. Construct 4 equal circles inside the circle, inside the square, touching one side of the square. So what you will do? You all be knowing this also. Make a square. Longest diagonal, sorry, both the diagonals, vertical line, horizontal line, bisect this angle. Here you will get a center, and this is your, now you remember, you all have done.
We can bisect any of the side, like any one of the angles.
Yeah, any one of the angle, any one side. You can bisect this also.
Can you
Okay.
please shift your screen a bit to the right side?
This side. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 3B, you will not do now because I have not done auxiliary views. Next Tuesday is the meeting of ICSE cell meeting. We will come to know the portion more properly. Now I will teach you this oblique view. I will send you the picture also, but see this oblique view. Again, it has the same concept what we did just now. Can you see the oblique view is divided into 2 parts. One is circular block and one is slopy block. Now from the top view, we can understand the circular block is only 30 wide. And slopy block, we can understand there are 2 of them. One in front, one behind. The length of the box is 30 plus 30, 60 plus 20, 80 plus 70, 150. Height of the box will be 60 and the width of the box will be 60. So here it is, please see. This is 150, 45-degree line, 45-degree line, 45-degree line.
It's not visible.
Can you take your camera off
Okay,
the lights?
okay. Actually, I was sitting, so I could not see. Now, is it visible?
Yes.
This is 45 degrees. Now, what we will do, see here. Can you see 70 and 20? So mark 70 and mark 20. And here below it is 30. It is nearly same concept. 30. Make it dark, make this dark, and this. Bring it here. Now here, corresponding to this 20, there is a full line, and here it is a broken line. So this I am making it full. This I will make a light line, and here I'll make 15 dark, 15 dark. Take this side, take this side. Exactly the same concept what we did now. And bring this line here, join this dark. 1 second. Okay. Now what you will do? These slopes are 15, 15. So again, we'll measure 15, 15. Complete this rectangle. Complete this rectangle. Measure 15 here. Draw this. Draw this. This line will come vertically down. This is the replica of this dotted line. This dotted line is actually this line which is going behind, and then this is the straight line with the help of a T-scale. Got this part or no? Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now it is simple. Now bring this 60 down and come here. From here, you can measure 30, come 30 here. Just make a semicircle of 30 direct because it is an oblique. Tangent behind with 45 degrees set square. Center behind by 30 and you will get this part. This is done. A circle over here and you will not get the depth because this is also diameter 30 and shift is also 30. Is that clear? This shift is 30. Done. The oblique view is done. Okay. Now, question number 5. Question number 5 is template. And you all have done this template in the class in last year. I will tell you which template is this from your textbook.
Actually, this is the half.
Yes. इसका half है. बस यहाँ से straight line दिया है. The lower part is not there. Will you be able to try? Will you try on your own or you want me to explain this also? Are you thorough in
We
the
can
template?
try it on your own. If we get
Yeah.
stuck. We will get
Okay, I will have one doubt session there. You can ask all these doubts if you are not getting. This is the same template you all already have done. So try this on your own. The only thing what I will say over here, when you are making this 14, just make the quarter circle and then make a straight line, which is 37 and 27. And this 45 will be 30 plus 45. And from this point, direct 45. So you will get this curve. Rest, everything is the same. Is that clear? When you are making this 14 wala circle, make a quarter circle and make a straight line. This is the curve touching these 14 circles. So 60 minus 14 and 60 minus 14, you will get the same. So this is done. Question number 6 is sections of solids, which I will do with you all in the class. Question number 7 is copy ISO. Question number 7 is copy ISO. See how simple it is. It is 26 marks. The length will be 100 and this 50 because this 15 is coming inside this. So length will be 150. So same way, 150. This way it is 60 and height is 80. Box बन गया. Now here, mark 15, 15. From here, mark 50. Come down. This is 50. Come down. This is 15. Come here. This measure 15. This part is done. L shape. Here make a rhombus, 15 up, 15 down, 15 up, 15 down, complete a rhombus. Take this line behind, complete these rectangles. I think now copy ISO is easy for you all. Still not. After doing ortho to ISO and all. Longest diagonal, join this with this center, you will get this part, and with this center, you will get this part. Shift this center behind by 50. And the same radius, this radius, you will get this part. From here, 30 down. Next time, I will not allow the recording because the students are leaving the class because they know they will get the recording. 4 students have left the class without informing. Now there are 30 students. 3 students have left the class. Prasham Gosar left now. So you only are teaching the lesson. The students only teach the lesson, not to allow anything. Again, this is the longest diagonal. Join this. With this center, you will get this part. And with this center, you will get this part. Now we want this behind. So make a tangent behind. But this is 15 already. So the remaining part is 35. So you have to shift this center behind by 35. And the same radius, this radius, when you make here, you will get it. This is done. Now you make a straight line here. Go behind. Go behind. Got this part or no? See, this is the figure. Now this side, the figure is divided into 20, 20, 23 parts, and the thickness of this slot is 10. So you will go behind 60. The proportion is not proper. So you will make 20, 20, and make 10 ka line. Again, we have to make it outside. Again, you will make this 60. This 10. Mark 20, 20. Make 30-degree line, 30-degree line. This is dark, this is dark, this is dark. This distance is X. So we will mark X over here, we will mark X over here, and this is the figure. This will come down. I think everybody will be able to make a circle. This is a plain circle. I'm not explaining the circle part. Is this much clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So today I have done with you sheet number 17, 2019 board paper, and doubt solving of oblique and 1 figure of ISO. So for this week, you have got 2 sheets to do, which should get over by end of July. So by end of July, you should be done with sheet number 1 to 7, sheet number 11, 16, 17, board paper 2, 2020 and 2019. Is this much clear? Rest what will be done in the class. I will be doing with you sheet number 12, 13, and the sections of solids part of both the question papers. Is this clear? You should be ready with 10 sheets and 2 board papers by 31st July or 2 weeks from now. Today is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. And during, if you are getting break of this Guru Purnima, I will take the class. Tomorrow also the class will be from 12:40. You all said 12:40, right? 12:40 to 1:40. Friday class 12:40 to 1:40. Yeah. Now what is left? Yes, Sachi Mehta.
Yes, miss.
Were you able to follow whatever I taught today?
Yeah.
Dev Sethia. Why Dev Sethia doesn't speak? Is he like this in all the classes? Can anybody tell me?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I had a
Devandana?
question in the assessment.
Yes, ask.
So in the we had to make the equilateral triangle into a right angle
Yes.
triangle of
So
half area.
simple. Equilateral triangle, half area, right angle.
We
You could
can
have just
just
made a line and
yeah.
made this part dark.
Okay.
This was one method. Other method was take a height, bisect it, and you can make this. Third was take a height. This is the equilateral triangle. Just take the same height and so many solutions were there. I had given the simplest equilateral triangle to half area. Then also many students have not done it. They have just made a triangle and left it like that. They have not made the half triangle dark. Regarding question number 1, pentagon to square, everyone has got right because I had given you in the group, please do try pentagon to square. So everyone has got that right. Okay, I think it is sufficient for today. So please finish sheet number 11, 16, 17, 16 का जो एक figure है, that I will do it later on if you are not able to do. If you are not able to do the last figure. If you are able to do, it's okay. I will keep the session for those who have doubts. Can anybody be a little bit be in my favor and tell me who was absent in the beginning? One was Kritisha, I had noticed. And let me call out the names. Prasham Gosar has left the class. Abhishek Singhal had left the class. And one more student left the class. So I'll just call out the names fast. Labdisha.
Here.
Manan.
Miss Manan is absent.
Okay. So Kriti, Manan. Nishka Doshi, I spoke to you. Rahil, Sahil.
Miss Rahil is present. Sahil, I don't know.
Sahil is also present, but he doesn't reply at all. He was present in the beginning. Now he must have left. No, he is there, but he never replies. Okay. Then Abhishek, so he left the class, I think. He was present. Ananya, she is present. Dhriv Gala.